Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing countless industries. In electronics manufacturing, AI is transforming how printed circuit boards, or PCBs, are assembled. PCBs are the backbone of virtually every electronic device. The demand for smaller, more powerful, and reliable PCBs continues to grow. This is where AI comes in. AI systems analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions. Incorporating AI enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and improves quality. AI marks a new era in electronics manufacturing. As AI evolves, expect more innovations optimizing the industry. One of the most time-consuming and labor-intensive tasks in PCB assembly is component placement. Traditionally, this process involves highly skilled technicians manually placing individual components onto the board. AI-powered systems are now being used to automate this process, resulting in significant improvements in both speed and accuracy. AI algorithms excel at optimizing component placement by considering a wide range of factors, such as component size and shape, the distance between components, and the overall layout of the board. By carefully analyzing these factors, AI systems can determine the most efficient placement strategy that minimizes production time and material waste. This optimization leads to faster assembly times and reduced production costs for manufacturers. Additionally, the enhanced precision of AI-powered systems minimizes the risk of human error, resulting in higher quality PCBs with fewer defects. As AI technology continues to advance, we can anticipate even more sophisticated component placement systems that further enhance the efficiency and reliability of PCB assembly. Quality control is paramount in PCB assembly, as even minor defects can lead to device malfunction. AI-powered inspection systems offer unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. They use advanced computer vision and deep learning to detect even the smallest defects. This reduces the risk of defective products and speeds up the inspection process. Section 4. Predictive maintenance, keeping the assembly lines running smoothly. Downtime in PCB assembly lines can be incredibly costly for manufacturers, leading to production delays and lost revenue. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, is transforming how manufacturers approach